Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how I upcycled my wine bottle into this nice vase. I'm going to be using some jewel type brooch like accessories for the bottle. Diamante ribbon, so this is something I've used from something else, and my hot glue gun. As well as that, I'm using white gold spray paint. So here's the wine bottle before. So first I removed all the labelling, the ribbon, the cap from the bottle. When spraying your bottle, just make sure that you keep the same distance from the bottle each time you go around, just to make sure there's even coverage. So I'm going to be using one of these super cute jewels for the front of my bottle. So I'm using a Diamante ribbon for the decoration around the top. You kind of want to measure up how much of that you're going to use, so just kind of gauge how much you'll need to cut. So you just want to glue around the rim of the bottle evenly so you can apply your decoration. And kind of just have a starting point. So there I've chosen the back of the bottle where I want it to start, and then the other ribbon will join around the other side. There are adhesive gems, there are adhesive alternatives if you don't want to use a hot glue gun. Just kind of line up where you want your jewel to go. So mine's going to go in the centre of the bottle there at the front. Slightly out of shot, but I've just put a blob of hot glue on the front of the bottle so I can stick my jewel down just in the centre there. Now that it's dry, I'm just going to add my Diamante ribbon to the bottom of the bottle as well. So this is the second way I'm going to show you how to glue around. So rather than gluing around the rim like earlier on in the video, I'm just going to dab some glue at the back of the bottle and then join the ribbon Diamante around the other side instead. I'm adding a bit of ribbon to the top as well, just to hide where the cap usually screws onto the bottle. You don't have to do this, but it's a little extra that you can add to it. And voila!